Ka Jylla Jingtei Lynti Rel India, kidon ha ka bynta bala kren banyo ya ka jingpenrung ha ka railway network, bat ka sorkar ka kwah ban pyndep sasha ki laitylli ki Jylla ki bidangsa. U MLC jong ka Bihar bat convener jong ka budget public city campaign for Northeast, u Devesh Kumar, u loong ba ka jingiatreilang bat ki Trai Jylla na ka bynta ka ne ka phang, ka long ka Donkam bha, ka Lynti Rel, ka bala pyndep ha Jylla Mizoram ka de ka Jingkyrshan ki nong Mizoram, bat ula pyntep ru ba umentri rang ba do kari ula thrang ba baro ki Jylla bat ki paj ba kin yo e ka Lynti Rel.
That people of Meghalaya get something as basic as that. But I think the work has begun, and this is a very important, integral part of the central government's vision and Prime Minister's vision. And I think the work has begun. So we will ensure that it's implemented, and we really hope that all the states are connected, and also intrastate connectivity is there. So we are completely dedicated and committed to it.
So I am from Mizoram. Mizoram has been connected by the rail link for the first time in independent India. You know, the Sairang section to Bhairapi, which is on Assam-Mizoram border. It was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister in September last year, and it has proved to be a boon. So Honorable Prime Minister wants each and every state to be connected by the rail network. But this has to be done with the help of the local population. So the moment we feel that the local population is up for it, you will get it. We are more than willing. There are just 3 states in the northeast where there is no rail connectivity, but it has to be with the help of the common people, of the local people.
Thank you.